I'm looking back, I'm trying to get my mind right. Was it you or me in the limelight? So I'm waiting for the time right. So let you go, so I can make my wrongs right. We weigh ourselves down when we don't need to be, and we let ourselves fall when we need to be free. I'm worried about others when I need to be me. We looking to fight when it needs to be peace. Don't let me see you smile, let it break between the grand. And there's a lot of good, it's just in between the sand. And there's a lot of calm, it's just in between the win. I'm living for today and not the dividends. And that's the difference between me and you and me and Hop on a mission. We just trying to find the truth. And you can feel it in your veins and you can feel it in your shoes. And let it take you away to the suns and the moons.
You're the music to my life. Can you be there for me? You're the reason that I ride. I'll be lost if you leave me alone, on my own. A song with no melody. You're the music to my life. You're all I need.
I am living life like I think I should. Write it down when it's not so good. But when I'm gone, know I did all I could. And maybe I'm just misunderstood. In this place far from heaven, looking to the future, sick of living in that present. How do I know where to go or if I'm living right? Is there a key or a road or a hidden light? Cause everyone is always looking for an answer. I'm just trying to put in work until my fucking hands hurt. That way, if I fail to survive, when they reminisce about me, they can say I never tried. And what's the goal?